This is the stormwater control measures put in place by Delta State government, which has been on for the past 4 years. Most of the areas have been completed, especially the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 have been concluded. This is the WAEC road, which happens to be under the phase 1 project. Here, the flood is being flood water from Mariam Babangida and all part of phase 5, they all collect at WAEC road, which now flows through Michael Dunu Street to DBS compound. This WAEC road has 3 intakes from Mariam Babangida. One is at the secretariat, the state secretariat. Then one is by the PDP state secretariat, and another point of intake is from the Commissioner Street. So these are the points from which Mariam Babangida has been deflooded to feed into the main sewer, which starts at DBS Junction. This design project was actually conducted by Jeffcon and Associates Limited, a civil engineering consulting firm based in Asaba. This is part of the stormwater management and control measures being put in place by the state government to manage all the flood ravaging the state. Apart from Asaba, Jeffcon and Associates is also involved in the Warri project. They are the consulting firm managing the study and design and supervision of the project in Warri. The DBS project is handled by Cetraco Nigeria Limited, while CCEC is handling the Ambassador Raf Uwechewe. Then in Okpana, we also have Levant. Levant is the one handling the trapezoidal channel that goes to Iyuku. So these 3 contractors are working simultaneously to achieve the flood control management project that we are on. This DBS junction happened to be the common header where all the water from WAEC Road that passed through Makedunu Street gather. The Makedunu Street channel is a 2.4 by 2.4 concrete channel. This is the one that brings this water to the 2.7 by 2.7 storm sewer channel that commences from the DBS junction. So from this point, it cuts across, the sewer cuts across Amway Road. No, it cuts across Okpanam Road, then pass through the Cabinet Office, through Government House, then cut across Amway Road, and then through Adidi Umeje Street, down to Amlimocha discharge. That is the final discharge at Amlimocha point. This DBS storm sewer is a 3-kilometer channel. As you can see it on the wall there, is a 3-kilometer distance. This is the junction on Amway Road, where the flow from Interboa joins the one coming from Ambassador Raf Uweche. The one coming from Interboa is coming from a 1.8 diameter channel, but discharging into the 3.3 meter storm sewer that brings all the water from the phase 2 of the project, which is the right-hand side of Okpanam that covers phase 2 and phase 6. So this part actually carries a very large volume of water. You have over 78 cubic meters per second of water that flows through this channel, and this one discharges into the Anwai River, as you can see down there. So Anwai River is another natural receiver that helps in the flood control management for the Asaba project. We have another discharge point, which is the Iyabi stream. Iyabi stream is close to the airport. That is where the flood from Okpanam is being discharged to the flood on the right-hand side of Okpanam. So part of it is taken to Iyabi, so that we'll be able to manage the flood. So these are the part of the management strategies that were adopted. Some were diverted to Iyabi, some were diverted to Amlimocha, while some were diverted to the Anwai River. There's another one which is in Kotomi, inside of Okpanam. We are discharging all the water collected within that zone. It's about 42 cubic meter of water per second that is being discharged through a trapezoidal channel into the Iyuku stream. So Iyuku stream connects also to the Anwai River. So that is another management strategy that we have used to also manage the flood from not getting to Asaba. One thing we should understand about this flood in Asaba is because of the geographical position of Okpanam. Okpanam is at about 180 meters above sea level, while in Tabora, which happened to be the city center, is at 44 meters above sea level. So you have over 135 meters elevation difference. So this makes it possible for every raindrop in Okpanam to flow down as rainfall discharge to Asaba. So, but with these sewer channels that cut across all the roads from Okpanam and Ambassador Rafu, we're able to control them into this natural discharge point.